Like
those are the
back up to salt.
Yeah, those are the expensive one in Jamaica, Nubian. Those one rare. Whoa. It's a human goat here. Yo, Rex, what was that?
That's living, man.
That's
proper coconut touching the bottom of the belly.
Yes, that's the human goat. Guys, look how high we are. Hiking up the hill. This is like 1,000 pounds, right? The weight.
Actually more than that, bro.
More than that, right? These are big, man. More than that.
Come here, let Jamie here.
Meet Jamie. Meet Jamie. She pregnant? Oh.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them hot clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, good morning. Welcome here in Trinidad. You know, blessed morning. Thank you guys so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, I just come out strolling while the sun is rolling. You know, so blessed love to all. Thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, well, Kina Life in Trinidad now. Yeah. Yes, Kina Life in Trinidad. So I hope you smash that like button whenever, guys. Please remember to put the thumbs up. You know, we're on the journey now to 100k, and surely we will get there. You know, with the help of you guys, the Almighty, and we will do this together. We will get there. You know, so thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Trinidad. I say Jamaica. In Trinidad, and we're here on the journey today, taking you another adventure. Let's see where the sun takes us. So the sun is shining that way. So what is that way? Who knows? But we're gonna head that way. Frankie. Oh, go on. Squid, pick up yourself.
Yo, we outside. You know, big up yourself. Key note that must say Squid said that you ever rock with a boss before every weekend nails and you hear do for sure. You ask him man for money and he say, oh God, I ain't get paid yet. What you order for? So you call Key, no, he tell you close the door. Shot one time he tell you drop the ball. When you look you see a big people on the floor. He hit you quite a money and he said that is yours.
That's yours. You guys remember Squid Link? Yeah, Squid Link would always be in the description, you know, show him some love, you know, for showing me around, you know, hosting me here in Trinidad, you know. Show him some love, you know, by go and check out his music, you know. Trust me, you will like it. Maybe probably not you, but yeah, give him some support, give him some subscribe, you know, give him some subscribe. So guys, tell me which country you want me to go next. You know, tell me the next country you want me to take on. Are you willing to host me? You know, if I know anywhere I'm going. We're doing it different. So any country I'm going, looking for some hosts, you know, show me some good time around. Just the way I show Demo and got some good time around in Jamaica, like what you say, can you do the same? Show me some good time around in your country. Just let me know, just hit me up on my WhatsApp. You know, so it's gonna be a part of my journey, you know. Okay, the journey I always have to continue with the charity same way there in Trenchtown. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna balance it, charity, journey, challenge, journey. You know, so it is what it is, man. That's what it is. So today we're going to try to hike up the hills some more before we go on the road. Like our Squid is going to get ready. So you know, like I was going to get ready, I'm going to try to hike up this hill and see how far I can go to see what the legs is going to say, you know. So at least I'm getting fit, you know, before. Okay, look guys, look at this banana tree right here. See? Banana. There's banana here to eat. Okay. Louis banana here to eat. So tell me what's going on. Some Trini banana. There is some Trini banana right here. All you need is some flour. You know, here you go, some Trini banana. All you need is some flour, piece of yam, you know, some salt mackerel, and run it down. Right, run it right down. Right. Yeah. What's this?
Duck roti.
Duck roti?
Yeah. You do eat meat, so you can.
Oh, is that meat and what?
Yeah, duck.
Duck?
Yeah.
Oh, duck.
Duck. We go quack, 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 quack.
Wow. We got chickpeas.
What the way it's called? Where it's called chickpeas?
Chickpeas. Duck roti. Guys, right now we're gonna go up hiking, you know. So we're going on a hiking right now. Boy. So we'll see how the legs is gonna go. Everyone is prepared. I think I need to get prepared for the occasion. Really. I need to put on a towel sleeve. Watch. Let me just change off quickly. How do you put on a quickly?
Soon comes.
Alright guys, things got serious. Yeah. I see a man come out with carrying them bags. Man got change, put on long hats and everything, so I just go make a quick change, put on towel sleeve, change up real quick, put on something black and ready for going in, because I'm saying let's go hiking and I'm seeing man getting prepared, putting on some. Of course. Yeah, Squid. I have to go change quick, lad. Can I see this man preparing?
Yeah, I see. You go up there looking like Peter Pan, man. Hold on. It's fair.
What, the cut bush?
Never know where you go meet them, man.
What you say?
You know, like them fellas up. Me not know where they go. So you them game one video.
We're going through bushes? Are we going through bushes?
No. The week left. Where we go and walk?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh. Yes. Where you say? Snake?
Where Frank gone?
Frank gone that way.
Frank! But we know we passing through here.
Look,
And?
what you saying to me? Snake? Huh? Snake?
Snake big from here to buy so.
Alright,
Nancy?
are we gonna see snake as well too?
No, I'm not snake.
Like getting frightened, boy.
I'm like snake.
I mean, me not play snake and me not
The
like
worst, I
snake.
don't like snake, man.
So you never see squid snake go?
No.
Squid have a snake big from by
Yeah,
here?
Yeah.
Mine? Yeah, yeah, big.
I was outside, never went inside yesterday, so I need to see that one then. Yeah? And look, this man is really ready for the hiking. Man, them got them hat. Squid, you have a hat like this too? So this man is showing me something else that I don't know, brother. These guys are prepared. These men got their hiking.
I want to get up. I can go for my camouflage.
These guys, look at me. I'm not ready. Yeah, rolling into Trinidad like a real town man from Kingston. Yeah, going up the hill. Look. Yeah. I said hiking. I see man come out with cutlass. Man come out with water bag. What's wrong? Bottle? None. Alright. I see man come out with water bag. Man have mashed.
Me not know water, me not know blade. I go just so.
Just so.
We too smooth.
Alright, so me and traveling the same, but we're going just so, more than a bag.
Just so.
With
It's
some
water near up there, no?
Yeah.
And if it looks sharp, by fox open it, have cold water. No.
Frank is ready for this, guys. Remember Frank got the big car. Yeah. Frank have the big Roberto Carlos car, you know. Rhea? You're not coming? Come on, Rhea. Cousin, you're not coming? Exercise. Oh. Get fit.
You ain't going, when you going back?
Yeah.
Nah, then can't go. Them going slow. You don't know me. Them I want to stop.
Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Alright.
No more.
Alright. We carry on. What's wrong with my boy? Here with the team today. I will say hiking. Even the chicken is fit. The Magnum. You're cool? Looks like you're tired already. Man's tired already. You're gonna do this, you guys? You guys, just please keep up. You need to keep up as well. Trust me. It is ready. Mission. This is a very steep one. This was this is the very steep one. You start from here. So we have the team here, the Magnum Squad team. What? Someone breathing hard already? Water. You need water already. So guys, so the first one to stop. The first one to stop will be running up the mountains. Yeah. Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful. Yeah. Oh.
So you don't deal with meat?
No. I only fish. There's jelly.
Right, I'll pay my phone card bill. I'll pay my soup now.
Hey. Yeah.
Nah, you can go later.
The man holding his back already.
That's just showing it.
Wow.
Damn, you ain't seen nothing?
Nothing yet. Nothing yet.
Here, I came on mash.
What else is this one?
Wow.
We now going and start to go in the bush. Easy!
Woo! Guys, that's one climb already. Just getting started. And just getting started. So we're on one phase. We have many more phases to go.
Let's see me tonight.
Someone is coming. Guys, look at this view. Look at this view from here. Look at this view from here. Look at the view from here. Breathtaking. This is so breathtaking. Guys, so we've just been up one section of the hill. The guys them start to walk up. So let's try on. Let's try in. So guys, so now we're treading. Look, my man's running up the hill. Look at these guys, man. They think we can't run up the hill too. So let me see who's betting on me. Let me see who's betting on Kino. Look, we're going up and up. Pitbull. Oh, bad boy, yeah. Getting jelly. Woo! That's the best thing ever. Getting some jelly.
Well, actually, going for the grab behind you. That's all right.
So we're getting some jelly, guys. See, just like Jamaica, heading into the bush, you have to get some jelly. Just like Jamaica. There's no difference. We are one blood, one brother. Other thing, different culture of food. That is it. You don't wanna? I will have his.
You want it? We waiting a long time.
Huh? You shopping it?
Yeah, I'm coming. Come on.
I want some really like the first one.
Electrolytes.
Still on your left.
For the body.
Malay day someone now.
Alright, one drop. So guys, if you're looking to come Trinidad and you want to link up with the Magnum squad, you just prepare to come get some of this. The hiking, you know, the sightseeing, the scenery. Well, definitely we're definitely gonna have some people coming to check out the Magnum squad for some of this. This is only the starting for greatness. You understand? The starting for greatness. Are you ready for it, right?
I don't know.
Tell them to come.
Them done ready to come.
They're ready to come. While they're watching, they're ready to come. I could see it in the comment section. People say like, oh, I need to come Trinidad now. Shots, you see there? Same thing like Jamaica. Right. And you have the chef. Hard. But sometimes that's a sweetest one as well.
Fire.
No mango, but I can't.
Which one? That?
I man, not sour.
Oh, that's a tangerine.
Yeah.
My coconut hard.
Sweet. Sweet, right?
What?
I'm telling you.
Real sweet.
Yeah, because sometimes the tough one them is the sweet one them. Trust me.
Come on, I'm gonna do it now.
I don't come up all the time.
You have to say twice. The way it's sweet. Sweet.
Yeah, fucking blade.
Oh, look at that view. Look at that view. That is the view. It's not a sea view, it's a land view.
Well, they will never believe. You know what I'm doing right now, Frank? Renovating Alpine house, boy. Blood and fat boy, Baba boy. Every day when I see him going.
Chezzy is here. Chezzy, right? His name, Chezzy. Come, say your name again.
Saya.
Saya,
Maya.
Maya, Saya, Maya. Two brothers.
Twins.
Twins? Yeah, twins?
Yeah.
Oh, right, two twins. And we have Frank. And you? T. And we have
Rex, man.
Rex in the building.
T-Rex.
Rex come prepared. Rex walking
Frank,
in.
you bust a hole in this somebody.
Rex come prepared, man. Rex got his water pipe for his balance. Hey, guys, I'm the only one. Guys, I'm the only one acting like I wasn't coming prepared. All the work with camera and battery and water. But we're gonna show them say the town man can do it. The Jamaican, them say Jammy, they call me Jammy. That's like for tourists from Jamaica, they call them Jammy. Hey, this is sweet. Sweet, man. Very sweet.
Fresh off the tree.
My first jelly here in Trini, and this is sweet. I'm not even lying.
Coconut sweet, eh? I tell all of that.
Sweet, don't it?
Fucking bag.
When I come in, I go down and chat to me. Big thing that inside place and that's in a man. The man there is no fruit in the front, not even 10 mango no. Good for you, boy, good for you.
Man, I'm gonna show some of the water bag. So you need to pick,
Yeah, you don't say that here.
you need to pick more than full up the bag.
It's a real water, isn't it?
Yeah, real water.
The bag full.
Are you ready? I need to put some in this bottle.
Now the coconut done. Stefan.
You know that fucking tight with me, eh?
I will cut it in my hand. I'll put it in my hand. You're cutting after. You see how simple this was, eh? You see? One person could get damaged. Grown.
This is so sweet. Sweet. Coconut is hard.
Yeah, it's soft inside, man.
Jelly soft, boy. I know it got soft jelly. You do it, jelly?
I'll show it. It's too hard.
Now that's soft, boy.
No man, that one is hard.
This right here. It's real soft. Isn't it usually here?
Can't fill up my belly climbing hills right now. And someone's gonna vomit.
Nah, man.
Them belly full up climbing up this hill. I'm ready, man. I'm ready for this. My man is smart. My man make sure to put his jelly in his water bag. Frank, you need to fill up that bag with some jelly.
You know, jelly is more with a real healthy thing for you. If you get a cut and eat jelly, in 3 days, 2 days, 5 days.
Yeah. Eat it properly. So guys, look at this view. Huh? Goat? This guy is trying to frighten me about goat. Imagine that, guys. Eh? Them goat, that's Nubian goat. We don't afraid of goat. Might as well say snake and lion and tiger. You know?
And cockroach.
Not even. Not even. Them thing will kill them.
Back right now. What dribbles? You gotta get my back half now, about on top of you, boy. Oh?
Ready.
You gotta reach by me and go on my hand.
So these are tangerine. This is sour one, right? To make juice.
They done way out already.
Tangerine. We have these in Jamaica, but it's a bigger one.
What the blade?
Sir, we do the blade, sir.
Sir, the blade.
Sir, the blade.
You know, can you fucking cut coconut with the blade?
Bring it fermentation, bring it. Sour.
Slightly. This goat. This goat, why the goat at the belch? Man.
Guy know inside about goat.
That's a Nubian.
But that's sheep, boy.
Sheep?
That's sheep.
No, that's a Nubian. Hey, listen.
Yeah, that's it.
Is sheep that? What? No.
Was it? No.
No, that's not a sheep.
That's sheep from.
No,
From, that's a sheep.
that's a Nubian goat. Hey, that's a goat. That's a Nubian.
No, boy.
No, man, look. Guys, look at that goat. It's a Nubian. That's a goat. That's a goat. Guys, they say this is a sheep. So those goats here, they're called Nubian.
Boy, that's sheep, boy.
Alright.
I still believe in that sheep.
You see, alright then. No, there's nothing wrong with your belief. But believe, and I have facts. That's a Nubian goat. We have those in Jamaica.
Well, right now, we go search up a Nubian goat when we go down there and we go see what come up. If
All
it
right.
come up, then you're right.
Alright then, we're gonna see. Then he's gonna search. Is that goat in Jamaica very expensive?
Yeah, go so.
Yeah. Those are the
back up to sell.
yeah, those are the expensive one in Jamaica, Nubian. Those one rare. Whoa. It's a human goat here. Yo, Rex, what was that?
That's living, man.
That's
Proper
the
coconut touching the bottom of the belly.
yes, that's the
Yeah,
human goat. Guys, look how high we are. Hiking up the hill.
There's one out of the two. Like that sheep for a boat.
Never tell you why I said I asked sheep from? Like first man, 2 sheep, remember one day Gary and we went with one. And next one Gary. That is the fucking we have no sheep down here. And then we catch it and fucking bring it up to fucking fun. I don't care about that, you can catch one and take it. So you want to do and to sacrifice for it. I don't got nothing to tell you, right?
Wow. Trinidad is something else. I'm telling you. Someone's got a tank. There's a little farm here.
I used to look like that.
I don't know. When you would start a fish and they start to see, I know they come up and see me with a big machine gun, me and walking back down the hill. When we back with a gun from
So we're heading up.
explain.
We're heading up and up and up.
Yeah.
We're going. Look at that. Look how high we are. Look how high we are up the hill, guys. Look. We're all the way up the top. All the way up the top. Guys, if you want to come to Trinidad, come. You can link up with them, with my friends them. They can take you around, show you. If you like hiking, prepare for this, and hope you can manage it. It's not easy. What's that? See something, Rex?
Nah, that's watching how the place looking.
Are you taking a break? Nah.
I used to suffer right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your food here? Them picture?
Yeah.
You go back.
We go down with that, we focus tomorrow.
What is that?
Cassava.
Cassava?
Nah, cassava, yeah.
Oh, here.
Oh, bye. Nah, it's by the
This your land, right?
Yep.
So where you plant your cassava?
Yeah. For them pass.
Oh. So guys, this is Frank. Piece of farm here. He plant some cassava right here. So this is Frank piece of land.
So this
Frank.
time, them man come back.
Yeah.
Frank land all you.
So Frank have him watch tent. You look out, Frank.
Yeah, so you really wasting up on the
Jamie and Frank are on the move, but we be taking this piece of land from Frank.
Yeah.
From quite Trinidad, I know.
boy.
Hey.
From quite Trinidad, I know, Jamie.
So you taking this land from Frank?
Yeah, if you not ride them with me. If you leaving them to bully with them the land down there, we taking this from here on.
Come and see a food.
Which one?
Just a relaxing day.
Oh.
What?
What's that? What's the name of it? Kubo. What's that, like a drunk? Vulture.
Local call. Kobo.
They can cut.
When you eat those?
Eat one, man.
Oh.
Stiff one.
Yeah, we got that in Jamaica, but it's called drunk crow. Yeah.
We call?
Drunk crow.
John Crow.
Drunk crow. Say drunk crow.
Junko.
Yeah.
You never seen this here, boss said make drunk who fly, you know.
Yeah. Them eat pure dead meat.
Talking about.
Pure dead dog, anything will stink. If it don't stink, they don't want it.
But you see that boy, boss said make drunk who fly daily, boy.
Have to stink. What's that now? What's that called?
I got pink grapefruit.
Pink grapefruit?
Come now, man.
We'll take that one.
That's sweet too, eh?
Show that one.
Why, what's wrong with it?
You like it? You eat it, sir? Mm-hmm. Like it. I find it tastes like fucking pass.
Yeah, it tastes like it passed,
Yeah.
but it's still good. It's fruity.
Very friendly bacteria, it's called that. That's good for your body.
Mm-hmm. It's pink.
Taste this.
Pink pink what?
Grapefruit.
Pink grapefruit.
Look, on stretch any. Ah, you lie.
I taste that already.
I catch you, man. I go in Jamaica and come back, boy. Like Jeremy.
Yeah. Trinidad going on with good things, boy.
We're going over for the carnival in April.
Yeah.
See every morning.
This is pink grapefruit. Yeah. So they're coming for the carnival, of course.
Jeremy is so lying to you. I'm not doing for carnival. I'm money for that.
You're not.
No. In April, we have enough time. We enough time. You can sell it off. You do that.
Sir, you're not going?
No money, Jeremy.
No money. You can start save from now.
Have I tried or not?
You want to try?
I do. My daughter do. What you feel?
Going to school every day.
Frank have a daughter as well.
When is school? How it is?
Tastes nice.
And I'm
Tastes yours. Trinidad is surprising me. You know, pink grapefruit.
Don't sweeten.
Hey, this is probably important. That's not local.
Nah. Remember buy Kong? You never buy Kong? You don't buy Kong when you get the pink lime and thing, eh?
This is not local.
Sweet, then. You never eat that local, but just study you that you might know.
Nah, it's sweet grapefruit.
It's sweet.
Sweet grapefruit for my Kong, boy.
But this not local.
This one is not local.
A lot of local.
This not local.
Not local.
But them doing things they make the sweet soup.
You understand?
Yeah, look
This
at the view.
grafted, you know.
Look how high we are.
This grafted with an orange.
Yes.
We are so high. You can see.
Yeah, this grafted. It could be local too, eh?
There's someone living up there? Or just a farmer?
Farm.
Farm, right?
Oh, yeah, but see the pig when you go up there.
Yeah.
They take the rest or they
There
go?
we go up. So we go and surprise.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my. Oh my, I forgot how
I
good
find
that
for
is.
old men, unks and them should want no lamb.
So we're going up again.
Done old? When I get all that chuck, we only was when I get all that chuck in that land, right? Boy, you say let's come and run whack and get nice now.
First is sorrel. At this sorrel. Yeah.
Yeah, we call it sorry.
Called sorrel, man. At this time of the year, sorrel. So sorrel was like in for December. And we got sorrel beer in right now. Oh, welcome to this view, man, goat.
Everything you get full of them.
Everything you eat in bed, so big. Yeah. We got okra.
It has to come out.
Yes, I. Sorrel, yeah, looking nice. So we got sorrel here, guys. We got the white ones. Trinidad is surprising me still. You know, these sorrel looking different. These sorrels are different from Jamaicans, right? They have a different look, but it is sorrel. Yeah, but it's different. You have okra there as well. Look at that over there. Guys, we're hiking all the way up the hill. Whew. They never think I could keep up with them. I don't know why. They think I couldn't keep up. People don't know who is keen now, you know. Even though I got full of surprises. So you just know that. So Trinidad is beautiful, as you can see. Look how high we are at right now. We are so high up the hills. You can see all the houses from here. Yes.
Yeah, the general thing.
I tell you to cut over team, man. Cut over what? What do you try to bamboo pass dog by team, man?
Back down the hill, back on the arms road. Right in front by the mill and look.
So this is someone farmland. Them farmhouse.
Then we on Jamie.
Huh? You own it? Oh, you build it? Okay, on the building.
Sleep there.
Oh, you sleep there?
Yeah,
Not tiny.
So I need to plant some more stuff on the land then. Yeah.
So dry the place?
Yeah. So I need tanks up here, right?
Yeah, that was it. That remember I said that water bill.
Yeah.
They are talking about now.
Oh, okay. So guys, so this is their land as well too. This is the guys them land. So you can hey, you know what you can do? You can build a little cottage up here, man. For Airbnb. You can bring some guests and come up here to hike and cook. You know? Look at the view, what they will be getting. Priceless. Look at the view they will be getting. If they hike, come up the hill, and you can relax and cook.
See the sea line over here?
Yeah, you can see the sea line there, yeah. You lot got some good things going on up here, man. So this is their farmland. You got some big pigs. Wow. There's some big pig pork.
You can touch them, Jamie.
These are some big ones though. Real big.
Bad. Which one is that? Easy meal. Like boy.
This one.
This is gonna be nice.
This is like 1,000 pounds, right? The weight.
So I feel more than that, boy.
More than that, right? These are big, man. More than that.
Come here, let Jamie in.
Meet Jamie. Meet Jamie. She pregnant? Oh. Big pigs, man. Look at the size of that pig. That is bigger than me and you, plus 3 of us together.
You can roll along now, Jamie, and running into the soup.
Look at that, this pig is so big.
Not eating anything.
Funny.
Oh, you can train that chair, they don't go in and eat that too.
Yeah, how old is this pig?
See that one? Huh? Yeah, just see that one, tiny on top.
Frank, how old is
How old is this pig?
this one? Is, boy.
But this one over here?
Yeah,
Boy?
yeah.
Boy, it's about 10 years.
10 years.
No, 10 years.
Boy, it's about 5 years, boy.
For a year, 2 years right now.
A year and something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Won't talk about 10 years, you
So
know?
these are the first one?
Yeah, but he's not so old.
And a year and something?
Yeah, a year or 2 years going, 2 years.
But he about 3 years, 4 years.
Nah, 3 years old.
How long COVID done?
More. How long COVID was?
How long COVID was? Was at the end of the COVID, we had it right before the COVID, then he done again.
Oh, so you get this right before the COVID?
Just forget it.
Or after the COVID? Oh, after the COVID. So you use them to mate, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this, her and him, these two you used to mate.
Yeah, he won't. Tell our next one here about the butcher sheep.
Oh, the butcher sheep.
Yeah, that's all year was big.
All the year was big.
We bring you up tire.
Yeah.
All year.
And
Pig
that's,
used to run all free. He fell up, but he know he run straight and he would come up.
yeah.
But he said that the stress people think that way.
Oh,
He said they get accustomed to freedom, man.
yeah.
He run like a horse, you know, and they see him come.
This one,
Mash up
no?
all them gates, he mash up everything.
They mash up everything.
Yeah.
You see, all locked in the inside.
All them things was brand new.
Yeah.
That hole, he bought all them hole.
Oh, he bought that all there. He's a big boy, though, you see? So, so he make nipples.
Yeah, you know,
It's in there. They want. He's thirsty, boy. So you have running water up here?
yeah. Water come from the tank.
Oh, you have a tank, right? Why is it rainwater you catch?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one full everything. So you put all them in back.
Okay.
Full them there too.
Yeah. So that means you have to really depend on rain.
Rain characters, right? I know we're trying to make the springs higher up, but it's to bring it with some feet down inside on the other side to bring it on up to bring it back over.
Oh.
You see the back here, it's cool.
You can hear the music all the way from up here that's playing all the way down here. Yeah. Okay, your Vibes Cartel very loud and clear from here, guys. Vibes Cartel is playing all the way down there. You can hear it like it's right next door. So you see these guys is very ambitious, you know. So they have the farm here, you know, the farmland here, and now they have them pigs. Them have farming, them do the cereals and stuff, but I think that they're not getting enough rain for them to do more planting, so they're doing great stuff. So if you're interested when they come in Trinidad and you want to link up with them, they're in Diego Martin. You can link up with Squid and his team, you know. So it's our one team doing great things. Cheers. These guys, you lot doing great thing. I'm really impressed. Yeah man, I'm impressed man. Really impressed. So I'm to cow. When they were raising a cow? No, you're not thinking about that?
Soon, man.
Soon. Cow is really expensive here, right?
Water, I see water is a very serious thing.
The water, right?
Because certain things they need a hard amount of water. Them pig and them absorb real water.
Yeah.
Full of bottle now, by the time we go up here and come back down that empty.
Empty, yeah. And then I guess the time is hot now as well too.
That whole both sides was full of it.
Yeah.
It was full of them to help it for Christmas.
Yeah, okay, sell them up for the Christmas. So all of here was filled with pigs.
Right, about 20 something.
20 something. Cause one pig when them give birth, 13. So like how she's pregnant now, you get about 13 or more, right? That's well needed. You see that? She well needed that. Look at that. Well needed that, boy. She needed that water and that was him.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's what people like, man. They like the mud.
It was modern, but right, that mud,
It was concrete too.
can't deal with that mud, right?
Yeah.
It's still concrete. If you scrape that rod, it just then leave it to get thick. All is thick,
Yeah.
but it's concrete still.
Concrete.
Something that long.
So the tank is low. Why the water running like that? Yeah.
Nah, well, this was always doing that way. And this was gas squeeze. Fang left up the door there. Yeah, it's under the door. Isn't it?
You know what tourists paid me to see this, eh?
Huh?
Tourists, them white people, you know what them paid me to do them this? Them like to bring them up on here and
Yeah.
do them this?
Yeah, them.
Paying good money for that, but 300 a person.
Okay. Yeah, so that will be a good business to bring them up the hill here, and you have a place where you can cook, you know,
Yeah.
cook for them. You know, they're looking at this view. You got animals, you got ground foods, you got everything up here.
Encouraging me though.
Huh?
I said that's not that no people will be calling. You know,
Of course.
We make a hype page on Instagram and start to charge people to hype them.
Of course.
If every weekend you get 24 people to come up in the hill at $100, like 2,400, you know, and you're just charging them $100 because you're just crying them. You ain't talking at 150, you get thing to eat.
Yeah, because you're going to cook and everything.
Yeah, 150 thing to eat. Buy up a 5-6 cases of water. 5 cases of water, that come like 5 water per food, so you
course.
get 24 water in a case.
Yeah, and you have you see you have a lake here, river or something.
It have a spring on top.
A spring.
It have a crash plane too.
How far up?
The plane is a good way, it's about an hour walk.
A hour walk.
Yeah.
And you have people like that type of walk, an hour walk. I'm telling you, 1 hour worth of walk.
It will be an hour because the time, you know, because the time.
Oh, because they're tired.
Some people might be 2 hours. But last time you take it 2 hours and some
You take it 2 hours.
people will be tired. People start viewing, people see it, so people see it, so see behind me.
Yeah.
I know what's going.
Bella really smoke right.
Real nice, boy. This is real nice. So if you're interested and you want, when you come to Trinidad, you want to come some hiking up the hill, you know, you want the guys them to take you around like show you some scenery, you know. This is a good connect. I'm telling you, the good people, Squid, who is the Magnum ambassador and Campari ambassador as well here in Trinidad, you know. And I love this view so much. You know, this is all their farmland, you know, this is what they built up, them shed where they sleep sometime, you know, so great things, man. And you can see it, all the view from up here. Look at this, man. So nice, like you feel like I'm on top of the world standing right here right now, right on top, looking down and everything. Wow, it's really nice. Imagine I was gonna bring my drone, but I never know the procedure, you know, because we know some country not allow the drone to come in their countries. So I just take it off my mind and leave it alone. But that it would have been good for me to bring the drone to get all of this beautiful scene shot. You know, beautiful scene shot. And there's so much thing to see in Trinidad, boy. Really so much. You can see the sea line over there. If you look right between the trees, you can see the sea line. Yeah. So nice. So nice, boy. Up here is really nice, really nice. Cool. You know, when you get to this spot, it's so cool. So they have nice land, you know, nice land. But the only thing them short of some rain. You know, usually they get rain and stuff, but it seems like they're not getting much rain right now. They're not getting much rain. What happened to the parrot? Escape?
Parrot?
What was in
Kill the parrot, boy.
Who?
The dog.
The dog? Hey. Bad dog.
Watch over there.
This guy is so. So these bottles sell them? No?
He is keep it, but I don't know.
Oh, you can sell them, right?
That's a good thing, that.
That's a good thing. Come on,
Please.
two.
Let's see it. All here. All thing.
Yeah.
Somebody different.
Water pipe? What is this?
Yeah.
So you can sell, right?
Yeah, I am.
So you start a foundation up here?
Yeah.
Then we'll build a house.
Yeah, man, why? No, man, I lie.
No, man.
Never tell a lie.
The tent. The cooking, right? The cooking. Rabbit, duck, chicken, swordfish, provision, dumpling. We reach up there, so we just cut them back.
By where? Where, Frank?
Yeah, I don't know you like that kind of wild meat kind of like.
Where? What's over there? Oh, bird. So guys, so we're gonna head down back because we wanna go and try.
Under the molly.
That's rotten, man.
I should have said he do it. I want to see you. Oh, you feel like you
So, the okra they can get dry and you can plant them back to seize them.
Get a good one on that too. There are some good ones.
A lot of okra seed there, you know.
Come on, the other day and pick.
On the pick,
Yeah, all them seeds are good.
yeah, the plant back. These are some big okras though. The okras are big. So now come and pick up some already.
You come and pick okra and sorrel.
I'm sorry.
Well, sorrel come back.
Yeah, sorrel is back again.
You come and pick now.
They make sorrel juice and sell.
My pick some and when we go down, let's boil some. Pour a bag.
Pick now.
Nah, the pick the what? And then I chop.
There's no bag.
Oh, there's nobody thing unless you pick a bag.
And we can have pick and
There's no bucket bag.
Jamie, you like sorrel?
But not a bag.
one of the my arena using a jersey boy, tie up edges, you know, boy.
yeah, but when you pick it, why you take off your hat and full hat? Frank have an idea, can cook some quick. You put out your boiling region.
Oh, yeah, me make this just, yeah, I make this just so, yeah? You can't make this just normal, you know? Nah, yeah, the boil like with spice and thing, you know? Clove, spice, fucking, all them things, you know? It's a cinnamon.
Squid.
You know about that? You know about that?
Yeah, we're heading back down now. Yeah. Alright.
Nico. No, that's gonna be you don't pick so much.
No, you know me?
Pay by pick by you man, I show us jersey and that's true. All the pick and that go you know good fall there. All the bare hands. I just tell you, if you don't know, you will get yourself in problem. You will make some juice.
Them is the torturous kind of pickles too, eh?
Fine.
The whole heap of sorrel.
So you cut this every try to cut this sorrel.
Mix it up, right?
Oh, so the white one as well too.
White sorrel.
White sorrel. First I'm seeing the white sorrel. This is the first I'm seeing the white sorrel as well. Red and white sorrel.
When we come up there and pick the white ones up, you know,
Oh.
It's come out like apple jelly.
Like apple jelly?
Yeah.
Clear. Oh. It's not really white.
It's white enough, but
The juice come out clear.
yeah, clear. Like water. Like wine.
This will be good now. Making sorrel juice for the guests, cooking food, chilling out, hiking. Yeah, good. Look at this whole land, whole space, everything. You guys surprised me, boy. Real surprised.
They know that way has come and meet her.
Time. See time?
Yeah, Time do everything. So in time things will happen.
COVID made this.
Yeah.
Before COVID, you know?
Make yourself focus, make some pigs.
Yeah. The main thing you need is water. More rain.
Supposed to get the road eventually.
So to make this road.
Yeah, we cut this
We make this hole. We go straight back to the stairs.
Yeah, and you can go further up.
Further up.
Yeah, we cut the road straight up.
Go straight back to the stairs because them old people over there.
Yeah.
Jump on a van, as the van driving, we cut in it.
Oh. Also a van could drive from down where we're walking from.
When the van passing the come up again, we go jump on the van, we go come up. Yeah, and the drive up you feel nice.
Of course. Really nice.
Oh. Yeah? You know that? Since the last time.
By the cashew tree.
I cut him straight down. Because it's two. One is there. Them straight down cover. Do like tree tall.
Oh.
You want to try and come up here and fall off and instead of fall off, ride it back.
Yeah.
You want to see the beauty when all here cut? Straight back down.
Straight back down.
The trees.
So you can see everything.
Straight down from
All them trees are there.
Yeah. Flat and nice.
Just if a fire pass you. Yeah.
Fire.
See it straight so.
Oh.
See everything.
What is it? About red and white. Sorry.
Oh no.
Red and white.
Frank Beckham, that was a funny gun. You know, I see cutting here. Just,
It's good.
they just cut you. That tastes good too, eh? Heart of pecker.
Them part that
Them thick.
thick. Normally that's twist.
Yeah. These are like some thick stems. Rice and peas and some sorrel drink with a steamed fish. Who don't eat fish, eating chicken. Them rice and peas and sorrel.
Who said I make the juice, sir?
Sai. Yeah.
You just bait the boy and mom, you take it off of whoever.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, well we'll go down. What's that? Pear tree?
Cash.
Cash. Pomerac.
Pomerac.
Yeah,
Pomerac.
that what it's called pear. Well, let's call it pink. Pink?
Pear. Avocado.
No, right now.
Oh.
No avocado.
These type of place where we class countryside in Jamaica.
So you see how you
Cheers.
Yeah.
you see how you drink, huh? When you hold,
Come inside.
Stop for the lava, eh?
Star Upper.
Huh?
Newsberry. We call him Newsberry.
Newsberry.
Yeah. In Jamaica. That's the name of it.
starch.
She always did.
Stop it,
I like this stuff. I too. I like check. I finish right through no dog. So used up.
We're looking for any drop.
Yeah, that's all they want.
Them chop, them kids ready to chop with it.
We're heading back down the hill.
See where I was down there?
Mm.
Can't thing down there.
Yeah. can jump if you have a parachute, we say.
They, you know, pass
Right
up in between them two houses.
True it, yeah. And come up.
Street.
Have a school down there.
This is the lookout. When you come up here in the night, looking real good, don't you?
Yeah, look at
With the lights and everything. Real good.
You see on the next
What's that, a
side,
school
right?
over there? Blue. Right?
That's a lookout. You see on that peak over there?
show them when they drop it out, like show it all one or something in that part.
The view, everything up here is really nice.
Could be take a view on this side. That's it. Over here and here we get a view.
Over the other side.
The backup so is where we now come from.
Up there, innit?
Yeah. Going back on the right hand side.
Yeah.
There's no one top there. Like Kobe. There's no
Uh-huh.
one in the river.
Look at everything here on top of the hill. Look on the view. Yeah. The house them is like pure 2 storage, 2 and 3 storage houses. Mostly 2 stories. You know? Decent size houses.
Some are Scovine.
Where you call it?
Scovine.
Corvine. What's Corvine?
No, I just say it from us.
Oh.
It's Scovine.
It's Corvine. Real nice, real nice. Trinidad, real nice.
You got me just sort of same thing in Jamaica. I'm like,
Yeah, we might know who.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna
You
say.
go have it fucking hard.
Oh,
That's plenty of it explaining. One of it explain plenty of it. Everybody here,
yeah.
Let's call it Jamie.
Yeah, man. It's easy, man.
I got a speaker box on him, but you got a mic. On the left is the Great Museum.
Yeah.
Mike.
What's that? So there's my mic. This car went somewhere.
Real nice.
Slide. Mike,
You walk up these hills, walk up and down these hills every day. You're fit.
nice house, isn't it?
Yeah. There's a lot of nice houses around here. Very. So far I've seen in Trinidad. Nice.
Watch that mango tree. Everybody.
Maybe we wanted to bring it to see if they get the mango now.
But there's no mango.
So we just down there? I come
That's on the floor.
No mango.
No, it's on the floor.
All the houses are like 2 stories, 2 and 3 stories houses.
Ong zone.
Home zone.
The wreck scene. It's Jay!
It's like you see it from far, now you see it so close.
So close.
Double palm. Girl palm, 2 palm, 3 palm.
Oh, yeah.
Tell the girl keep calm.
Gotta keep calm. Yeah, man. blues. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better